order from Bath and Body Works just came in. So I never really purchased any other candles or hand soaps. So yeah, that's what I mostly got. It's just candles and hand soaps. They're fall candles and hand soaps. Okay, so the first hand soap that I got, it's Afternoon Apple Picking Deep Cleansing Hand Soap with essential oils. Oh, that's interesting. So this is what it looks like. It's very pretty. Wanted at least an apple scent, so that's why I got this one. Oh yeah, smells like apple. So the next one I got is Sweater Weather, and this is what it looks like. But I smelled this candle last year and I was like, I don't remember if I liked it or not, but I like the name. I like this smell. I like this smell. Oh yeah, this one is going in our bathroom right now. It's gonna replace the hand soap that we got. Okay, so the last one I got is Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin. This is what the packaging looks like. Very cute. Yeah, not really my favorite, and unfortunately I got the second because I think in order for B to get the discount I had to buy 4, and I bought another one of the Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin, but I should have bought another one of the Sweater Weather. That one smells good. And luckily, like when I was about to purchase this order, they weren't having a sale on candles, because normally they have a sale on their candles. So I was about to place an order and I was like, oh, this order is pretty expensive. So I waited, and luckily I did wait because they are having a sale on their candles, so I brought more. So the first candle that I got is the Pumpkin Pecan Waffles. Oh, it smells so good. This is what it looks like, if you can see it. Okay, and the next one I got is a Pumpkin Apple. This one smells really good too. I like this one. Oh, it smells like fall. Oh, I love the smell of this one. So this is what this one looks like. Okay, and the last one I got is Sweater Weather. I already know I'm gonna like this one because I like the hand soap. So this smells like a man, and I like it. It smells so good. I'm very happy with my purchase. Hello everyone. Today is October 15th, and today is also the day of my company's Halloween happy hour. So I'm excited for the Halloween happy hour. I am dressing up, and since I don't have a lot of work right now, I decided to get ready early so that way I won't have to get ready last minute, because it does start during work hours technically, and yeah, I don't want to stress out during the evening time. And today is also my cousin Alexa's birthday, so I need to wish her a very happy quarantine birthday. So I debated on what I wanted to be for Halloween for the Halloween happy hour, because we are having a Halloween contest, a Halloween costume contest. And I was just gonna dress up, not really for the contest. So I was gonna be a pirate, because I was a pirate 2 years ago when I took my cousins trick-or-treating, which was a fun time. So I was gonna do that. And then I remembered that I have some special effects makeup that I've gotten from my special effects makeup class a couple years ago. Then I was like, I have a Princess Jasmine costume, because I dressed up as her a couple of years ago with my group of friends. We were Disney princesses, and I was Princess Jasmine, like, of course. And so I was like, what if I just become like a dead Princess Jasmine? Because I have a ton of fake blood still. So far I only did my eyebrows just so that way I can look a little bit presentable when I'm vlogging right now. And yeah, let's get started. So I think the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on the shirt so that way we can get started. So oh man, it's been a really long time since I've done any type of special effects makeup. We're going to use this we're gonna try to use this very tiny silicone brush to dig out the product. I just need to dig out the product.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see.
I thought I was just gonna jump on here and be like boom, 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 boom. Done. Apparently not.
There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever.
Hello everyone. It is 2 hours later and I was able to place all of the wax on my skin. Luckily the eyelash glue came in clutch, so I'm about done. I just need to finish one more line and then I'll be done, but I wanted to show you guys how I did it. So I basically used up most of the wax, which is completely fine because I wasn't really going to use it for anything else, but I would take the end of my brush and just kind of scrape it out about this much, and then I'll place it in the palm of my hand. I'll just twist the brush to kind of get off all or most of the product, and then I'll just kind of roll it like Play-Doh. I'm going to take my eyelash glue and I'm just going to paint over where I'm going to place it. But we get it. It's good. We're getting there. Luckily this does not have to be perfect. Now what I did try to do, I tried to pat it down so it would be flat rather than round, but it was a little bit difficult because my hands are pretty warm right now. It is pretty hot. It's gonna be 95 degrees today because we're going through a freaking Indian summer right now. But yeah, I also numbered my scars so that way I wouldn't get confused.
Lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that yeah, who really care what Simon say? All the bad things.
So what I basically did was I just kind of cleaned up around here. I applied concealer on the red parts, on the outer parts of the scars or the scratches. Like in person you can definitely tell that this concealer color is not the same color as my chest, unfortunately. And I don't have foundation right now. I just have my two concealers. But right now I just applied some dark brown eyeshadow underneath my eyes to kind of give me that like death look. I would say, I don't know. I think I just seen it in a couple tutorials. This is the most I've ever been extra for Halloween. But I'm happy. I'm happy I'm being this extra. I better win that goddamn costume contest. I'm just kidding. I don't really care if I win or not. I know we're going to do a voting system where everyone has to vote on people's costumes, so I don't really care if I win. I just want people in the office to be like, God dang, I didn't know she was gonna go in all like that. Let them know how extra I can be.
Had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf or I'm chilling with a dad. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. Yeah.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona
happy hour is over. It was a really fun time. I'm so happy I dressed up like this because your girl won the contest. Well, this is the perfect time for me to use my Patrick Starr's makeup wipes from his makeup brand called One Size, which I absolutely love the name. I love the message. Only thing is that his makeup wipes are so big. Like, look how big this is. Like, a regular makeup wipe is like this. Okay, so I took off everything besides my eyebrows because my eyebrows make me feel complete when they're filled in. Also, while I was on my happy hour, a couple of my packages came. I didn't get a whole lot of stuff, but I ordered some face masks for my grandparents and my auntie and uncle, and I also ordered some stuff for me too as well in the order. And it's from one of my favorite websites, Chew. So I got their face mask from there, and then I also got me another face mask. This is similar to the black one I have, but it's in pink. It was pretty pricey too compared to the other masks that I would get. This was like $25, and the other ones that I've been getting was about $7. So this is what it looks like. It's like the black one I have. I seen on their website that they were selling these straps. They were straps for your mask. Like, it's very similar to your eyeglasses when they have straps. So that way you can like take them off and they can like sit on your chest. So they had that for your mask. So I got one strap, which is like a colorful chain. Do my thing outside, come inside, take it off like this. It's nice, I like it. And I just got like a simple minimal one. It's just pearls, so that way I can coordinate it with every single outfit I wear. And then I also ordered a couple of things, or just 2 things from Amazon, and it came. The first thing I got is this little electric lighter, and I got this to light my candles because I'm just too excited. I just want to light my candles and just really just smell the fallness in my house. I don't even know if you can see it. And then the last thing I got from Amazon is this candle tools set. Oh, it has a little design on here. I didn't even see that. But this is all rose gold, and I thought it was very pretty. And then the next thing I got is, it's pretty heavy. It's the candle snippers, or the wick snipper cutter thing. And then the last thing I got is a little candle snuffer. So that is all I got. I am expecting one more package to come, but it's coming from On Track, and they basically deliver at any time they want to. But yeah, until I get it, I am going to eat my burrito that I have right here. While I play some Stardew Valley, and I'll catch up with you guys in a few.